Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is convert the following in fractions and also simplify wherever possible, because in all the cases simplification is not possible. Now question number 1 part 1 is 0.45. First we convert it into fractional form and then we will simplify it. To convert it into fractional form, write 1 just below the decimal point and zeros for rest of the number which are after the decimal points. So in the next step we can omit decimal point and it becomes 45 divided by 100. So this is the fractional form. Now to convert it into simplified form, we think of a number which can divide 45 and 100 at the same time. So it is 5, because 5 nines are 45 and 5 20s are 100. So answer is 9 by 20. This is the simplified form because it cannot be simplified further. There is no number which can divide 9 and 20 at the same time. Now part 3, 7.2. Now to convert it into fractional form, just write 1 below the decimal point and 0 for the number which are after the decimal points. So it becomes 72 divided by 10. Now we simplify it. For the simplification, we cancel numerator and denominator by 2. 236 are 72 and 2 5s are 10. So it is 36 divided by 5. This is the simplified form. Now part 4th is 1.5771. First we convert it into fractional form. 1.5771. Place 1 just below the decimal point and 0 for all the numbers, for all the digits which are after the decimal points. So 15,771 divided by 10,000. It is in the fractional form. Now to simplify it, there is no common number, there is no common divisor of 15,771 and 10,000. So it is in simplified form. It cannot be cancelled further. So this is the simplified form. This is the answer. Now for question number 1, part 2 and part 5, you will use the same technique. You will follow the same steps and you will do them by yourself.